So just wanted to give a quick 6-month evaluation, I guess, on the farmhouse flooring. The floors have been down now for about 6 months. I've only been using the room now for maybe a month and a half, 2 months. But the floors were down before any of the baseboard was done, any of the painting, and such as that. So far they've held up fairly well. I mean, I don't have any boards falling out or breaking or nothing like that. There are some boards like this one. You can see that moves if it's just me pushing on it. So they are a little squeaky. I've had to go in and add a lot of nails. These longer runs like this, I need to go in and put more nails in. I might do it every 1.5 feet or every 2 feet next time, further down. I might glue them as I continue out through the rest of the house. I don't know. They did spread quite a bit, as you can see of these right here, so the gaps got pretty large. Again, I laid these down and nailed them down first and then stained them and then polyed them. From here on out, I am going to stain them and do 2 coats of poly in my garage. Wait for them to dry, and then I'm going to lay them down, put the nails in, and then come back and do one last thing of poly over the nails, which won't be too bad. The only bummer part is I kind of like the stain around the nail heads here. You know, it kind of turns kind of dark. I think that's kind of cool. If you don't stain it, or if you don't have these in here, see, it's just kind of flat. So you lose some of that rustic feel, I guess. Maybe there's a way I can go through and pre-drill them or something. I don't know, we'll figure it out. They're very easy to clean. I just use a Swiffer and go through. I mean, they're dusty now. I probably should have cleaned them up before I shot this, but I got some other things to shoot here, and I just want to get this done and out of the way. Now, because these floors were done first before I did any of the trim or the doors or any of that nature, they got beat up. I put a couple dents in them. I dropped the drill gun a couple times. I shot the nail gun off trying to nail something over on the trim, and bop, went right through there. So, I mean, but they've held up. There's lots of scratches. I've had things dragged across them, and so far, I mean, they're holding up great. So this is... So would I do this again? As I said in my other videos, I don't know if I would do this in a high-end house. This house is built in the 1920s. It's a $120,000 house, big whoopty. It's only 1,000 square foot, 2-bedroom, 1 bath. It's an old farmhouse. I don't care. I'm not going to put, you know, high-end flooring in here. I definitely wouldn't put real hardwood floor in this. I don't love the house that much. You know, I've calculated this out, and it's like $1.50 a square foot. There's not much you can get in that price range that's real wood or comes out like this. I think it's come out pretty well. I'm going to continue doing it. This one room was just kind of an experiment. I don't know. I might glue them down next time with subfloor glue, just because things are creaking and cracking and stuff like that. I don't know. And there's going to be a lot more traffic in there than it is in here. So my next steps here in the house, I got to build a bookcase shelf. That's going to be a stair railing. I'm getting ready to film that now, get ready to start on that. Then I got to do the stairs and the hallway, and it's a never-ending project, that's for dang sure.